So I've done all my distressing. It's not my favorite job, but I've done it, and I am going to now stick down the pages that we've done. I've gone back to my original idea of using the page this way, so there's just a little bit of the floral sticking out. So I'm just going to stick down now. I forgot to put the pin in the glue again, so let's just stick it down with tape. It's a little bit longer process. Oh, maybe I should go back to glue. Easily. I really am bad about doing this, aren't I? Right, pin back in. Unfortunately, when I have these albums cut, they're only cut in centimeters, so getting them absolutely perfect is quite a mission. Okay, that is our inside cover. This is our first page, and again I was going to do the same sort of thing on the front, but I've already done it there with the tucking, so we're going to just stick this one flat. So page 2 and 3 we're going to do a whole lot of slits, so I'm going to come back to those. I also need to trim this down a little bit, even if I'm going to put it there. I'm not sure if I'm going to, so I'm going to put that at the top. I haven't done it anywhere else, so I can't see why I should do it there. Right, page 4, which is including the ink stain. And 5, and you'll see the ink kind of marries up. Makes really nice, almost double page layout. Okay, we're on to page 6 and 7. We could turn this into a tuck spot. Let's do it, then we have the option later on. So let's just turn it into a space for tucking. So I want to put my tape along the top, down the sides, and there. Okay, so it's this side. So if you're like me and you forget, tape is going there. This is its partner for the continuity, so tape is going there. All right, so we're going to put tape along the top. and down the side where I've marked it. Okay, and we're going to add them into the album. So I always like to create my zips. Alright, so those are down, and now we're going to come in and just pop these next to them, that we're going to stick these down. The colours are so rich, aren't they? And there's our double page spread. More than a double page. Okay, next we have our angle page. And its partner. Okay, and then it's onto this page. So I have roughly fussy cut. I haven't fussy cut it perfectly. It's very rough. I'll have to go back and fix it. But I didn't want to go and spend hours fussy cutting and then it didn't work. So it actually works perfectly. I have cut an inner that will just give it a bit of stability, and I can cut more pages, but it's 9.5 by 8.5. And I scored it 4 3/4 on the 9.5 side, and that will become one of my booklets to put all our information in. So what I want to do is I want to attach these top pieces first, and I'm not sure which one I want on which side. I'm thinking that way because the doilies continue. Okay, so just showing you in my head, or showing you what my head is thinking. This one is going on this side. Then I'm going to be adding these. So we've already prepped them. I'm just going to flip them over and I'm going to pop a piece of tape at the bottom to seal the pocket. And I'm just prepping them. Makes my life easy instead of spending hours trying to open or get the tape off and they're upside down. This is way easier. Okay, now I'm going to add the pockets, and it should line up perfectly. Just a smidgen smaller, so I'm going to line it up to the outside edge. And squish it down. Right, and here is our traveler's notebook that will just fit inside. I do like to make, on the whole, like my pages kind of match so they work together. And then onto the last page. Remember, we have this issue here. I'll come back and sort that out later, but all we're going to do, we could even turn these into extra pocket pages, but honestly I think we've got enough happening here in this album. And remember, if you're copying along with me and there's something that you prefer a different side of the page, please feel free to turn it over. Okay, so pretty much all our pages are stuck down excepting for pages 2 and 3. So what I want to do with those, because I want to get all the pages stuck in this video, is just show you what I'm going to do with them. So I want to be able to, I'm going to move this album, just find a little space for it. I want to be able to tuck these and others into this. So it's going to be a case of just tuck, but not, I don't want deep holes. Okay, so I want to fiddle around here, play with these. The other option is to just use the frames and make a picture wall. Maybe we should do that rather, it's so much easier. You know what, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to stick them down and we can make a picture wall, because that I think will look perfect. So let's leave these. We're going to just stick them in the album and make our life just a touch easier, because trust me, we've got a couple of moving bits to make that are going to take a lot of time. So let's go back and just stick page 2 and 3, but you've got the idea of what I'm going to do with those 2 pages. So let's get the album back. So if you're following along and you don't have 2 front covers like we do in the South African pack, you could always choose one of the other colors and just make up a page. So have either an extra piece on the side or have this in the middle with a strip on either side, would also work. Let's put the pin back in there quickly, okay, because we don't want it to dry. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. The only thing that we haven't done is put anything on the side. We have got quite a few offcuts. So we've got that offcut, which is quite nice. I've got that offcut. I've got this, and then I've got a couple of whole sheets as well that I still have access to. Alright, so front cover, remember we've got the slits for adding. I don't understand why this camera, when it videos, everything is like so crooked, so weird. Okay, opening up, we have got the inner cover matching with page 1, opening up to page 2, page 3, page 4. I'm quite excited about doing this page. I think it's going to be quite cool. And remember, we've got those little spots here, tuck spots. Page 5 with our crooked clipboard. Page 8 and page 9. Page 10 and 11 with our pockets. And page 12 and the back cover ready to take. So 14 pages in total.